What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. This will be the final installment of the adventures of the MoMo Modeler. Pardon the wobbly camera and the heavy breathing. I don't have a tripod, so we're going to be doing this handheld. But today we're going to be playing with the AMT Round 2 repop of a Ford Courier. This one is a minivan, they're calling it. It's kind of neat. It's got this interesting little camper shell design, and we'll get into that in a second. Right away, we'll start with the instruction manual. It's pretty basic, what you expect from AMT. Line drawings aren't the best, but you know, use your imagination for what part goes where. And then the expanded decal sheet. They're always really proud about talking about their decals. Whatever. And then we'll pan over to the body. Nice, you know, nice lines, pretty detailed. It doesn't have a lot of flash, I haven't noticed. And there's that camper shell that's got an interesting design. We'll get into that in a second when we get to the fender. And there's the frame, nice solid one piece. I like it when they attach those two rails, it keeps them straight. And then the bottom of the bed and the tailgate and rear of the cab, and it looks like some fender flares, some roll bar, wheel backs, interior tub, and the stock fenders. So we'll pan right over to the aftermarket custom fenders that you can see it's got an indent, a notch that the glass will go down into. That's kind of interesting. And then axle parts and firewall, dashboard, pretty decent, you know, a little paint, a little toothpick action, we'll fix that up. And then your engine components, tree, and then the chrome bits, two-wheel options. It's got those neat, those are the, not stock, but these are the extra ones that come with it. These cool turbines that, I don't know, look pretty nice looking wheel. Those will look good when they're all black washed up. And then the tires, wide rears, skinny fronts, nice pad printed, metal axles. And then we have the glass parts. There's tinted glass for the camper shell, and then just regular glass for the front. Nice one piece, not a whole lot of glue involved. So that's about it for the AMT Courier minivan. We'll get this one built up and do a final slideshow. Let me know if you like this video. Give me a like down below, subscribe, comment, all that kind of good stuff. Again, sorry about the wobbly camera. Thanks for watching.